Cap. What we're doing here is we're doing percentage offs, basic algebra or discounts. And what do we know? We know for a fact that Macy's is having a 30% off sale. First thing we know. We also know that we have a $200 budget. What don't we know? Well, what we don't know is save if we spent the entire $200 budget. That's real simple. So basically, X represents our unknown. Okay? And since X represents our unknown, we just don't know how many dollars we're going to get off. How many dollars? So what we're going to do is, we're going to do something real simple. We're going to say X is what we're trying to find out. We know that our budget is $200, and we need to determine what the percentage is off in terms of dollars. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take this 30% and we're going to transform that into decimal point format, because it's easier for us to multiply it when we're multiplying it times a whole number. So we take this 30% off and we multiply it times the $200 in our budget. Okay, now remember, when we multiply 200 times 30, we're going to get a positive number, but that positive number has to be turned into a negative number, because that's the amount of money we're taking off. Okay, so if we go X is equal to 200 times 30, then X would equal to $60, because 30% of 200 is $60. And since we're going to take that off, we're going to take that $60 and put a negative sign in front of it. So therefore, we know now of the total of the $200, we're going to take our total budget minus the $60 we're going to take off of our $200. We're getting $200 worth of stuff for $140. So you can work backwards and forwards either way. Anyway, enjoy. It's just something simple. Just wanted to give you some discounts here to figure that out, and you could go even one step further if you're trying to figure out how much you would take off each item. For example, let's just say an item, a t-shirt, is $20, but you still get the 30% off. So you multiply that times 30. So 30% of $20 equals $6. But you know you have to put a negative sign in front of it, because that's how many dollars you are taking off. So ultimately, what you're going to be spending for the t-shirt is $20 minus $6. You'll only end up spending $14 for the shirt. Well, hey, this has been AJ with HBCU Elite. Enjoy.